Hi everyone, AI Dave here.
I'm not really Dave, but an AI description turned into a VO3 prompt, created to demonstrate character consistency. The real Dave is creating prompts and chewing up his credits doing this for fun, because each of these frames costs money. So what Dave is prompting me to do is share with you a couple of tips he just found out to save you from the same mistakes. First, there is a great utility found in the ChatGPT Discover section named VEO3 Text-to-Video ASMR Prompt Maker for making prompts. It asks for very basic details and then generates a highly detailed prompt to paste into the text-to-video. The result is an accurate portrayal of the input description. You can then make a template for scene-to-scene dialogues to keep consistent scenes.
You may still need to generate multiple scenes to find that right character look and sound, and that is the cost factor.
Such as the earring in my left ear in the last video frame. Residual artifacts do show up. Dave pasted the exact same template and only changed the dialogue between scenes, but somehow an earring showed up. So it is hard to say how many times you'll need to regenerate a scene based on the level of differences you'll tolerate. The second tip is to make copies and backups with versioning of your different prompts scene by scene for recall. Don't find that perfect scene and lose the prompt that generated the scene. Save it.
This is where using Flow comes in for its library and save frame options for frame to video using the same image characteristics.
That brings us to tip number 3, Flow's Scene Builder. It is a must to use the Scene Builder with text-to-video to achieve any level of consistent detail.
You will burn through thousands of AI credits learning, so start by mastering the Scene Builder right away. And lastly, Flow will run out of workspace, so keep your video count manageable to prevent off-display frames.
I hope this video saved you time and money as you learn to use VEO3 and its tremendous capabilities. AI Dave, signing out.